You were so invested in this Platinum Card Baby Light White Hair Transformation Base Break. I mean, we did the whole shebang on this client right here in this video. So if you haven't watched that video just yet, make sure you go watch that one and then come back to this one, because this appointment today is basically just a maintenance appointment. It's my client's third visit with me, and I want to walk you through just kind of the whole journey of what a color correction turned into a maintenance appointment looks like. So I'm so excited to show you exactly what this looks like, and a lot of you just loved the end result that we got from that Platinum Card Baby Light. So I'm excited to kind of walk you through what a base break looks like, how it fades. I always get tons of questions when I do a base break formula, like, is it going to give me a hard line of demarcation? Is it going to be too warm since we're lifting and depositing? Is it going to fade warm? Is it going to look brassy later? What does it look like after the 6 weeks? Well, in this video, we're going to be breaking that down because she is coming in for her third appointment with me. We're just doing a little maintenance color melt formula using the same base break and tone formula. So I'm so excited to walk you through this entire process. I'm so happy that we got to this point today. And if you're new here, my name is Mirella Manelli. I'm a hair educator and salon coach, and I'm so excited to get this video started. But before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a video. Now let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so here it is. Here is what a 6-week grow out looks like with the base break and a baby light. Not too bad. The grow out looks beautiful. And of course, this is done outdoors in indirect lighting. We got some yellow ends that we're battling, which I'm not too excited about. This has been kind of like the issue since she's been with me, but we are on the right track. So today's all about fine tuning. We're not going to do any highlights. We are just going to be doing a color melt formula, but after we went indoors, of course, it looks a lot more yellow, and this is a perfect opportunity to educate your client on the difference between indoor and outdoor lighting and how much different it's going to look, because most of the time, let's be honest, our clients are looking at their hair indoors. So I know we need to mitigate a lot of this yellow that's happening, and we did have a little bit of discussion about hard water, which I'm going to get to in just a second. But overall, a lot of you asked what the grow out process was like for a base break. And you can see it is not warm. There's not a harsh line of demarcation. We're just simply battling these old yellow ends that she's had prior to her even coming to me. So we're going to be prepping her hair today with a hard water treatment because I just wanted to see if that may be the issue, because in Southern California we have lots of hard water. And I'm prepping her with the Undo-goo from Malibu C. It does have a pH of 9, which I love because it kind of fluffs open that cuticle just enough to allow for whatever treatment that you're going to put on. So I'm really focused more on shampooing the mids and ends. I'm overall just focused on the areas where that yellow tone is at. So that's why I'm using my fingers, just making sure that the shampoo is going to be doing its job. And then I do a thorough rinse out of that. And then from there, I'm going to be using the Malibu C hard water treatment. So this is really easy to apply. You're simply going to open up this packet and sprinkle it right on to the hair and then work it through. And you can see I'm really kind of agitating it with my hands, just working it in. I like to section it and just really take my time with this process. And overall, you're only going to leave this in for about 5 minutes in the bowl. It does work pretty fast. And another thing that just to note that what this will do, it will remove old toner. So just kind of keep that in mind if you are going to do this hard water treatment. It's almost kind of like a prepping tool also to reapply your toner. So it's kind of like a 2-for-1. So once you're done processing it for 5 minutes, you're going to rinse it out pretty thoroughly. And I usually like to just kind of open this up, see what's exactly going on inside. I got some brightness out of the blonde pieces. And then from here, you can kind of start to squeeze out any remaining product. And usually this is a different color, but you can see she didn't have like a hard water issue. We at least debunked that, and that's okay. But now we got this nice extra yellow canvas to work on, which is totally fine.
All right. For her toner, we usually do 9A in Studio Size Express. It's this little guy right here. So we're definitely going to be using this. I love this. As you know, I've used this as base break formula many times. I used this on her last appointment as well. And I've used SSE many times in my feed talking about base breaking. So it's going to lift and deposit all in one step. This is a permanent hair color. We're going to mix it up 1-to-1 and with developer, because this does have ammonia in it. Again, lift and deposit in less than 10 minutes. And then I'm going to blend it into 10A with Diamond Frost. So let me find that color. There we go. So you can see Diamond Frost lives right next to the clear, because it's almost like clear, but it has like this luminescent kind of tone to it, which I really, really love. And now that I'm looking at this, I feel like the 10A and the 9A are going to blend in beautifully together, but I don't want to go gray. So that's why I'm going to hollow it out with this Diamond Frost. And I think I'm going to put a little bit of 9PV in there. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a little bit of pearlescent violet going on in with this 10A. Like, how beautiful does that sound? So that's what we're gonna go with. And let's go ahead and mix this up.
You're on TikTok?
Serious? Yeah.
Dead ass. All I see on my TikTok right now is, got a white boy on my rasta. He's feeding me lobster and pasta. Okay, that's one formula.
He said cash out Brazil.
Matter of fact, scratch that. I'm gonna send you a stack because you fine as hell.
When you eat it, don't you think it's just overwhelming sometimes?
No, not if it's cooked just right.
Exactly. It's delicious.
And you know what? I don't even like butter and all that shit.
But lobster? That's the only way.
Lobster and butter in my mouth.
I hope you include the audio in your YouTube video.
Now, because she is a little bit darker in the back, I decided to start in the back, and I like working in vertical sections. This is kind of like my go-to when applying toner. It softens the line of demarcation on how it's applied and how it processes, and I'm just working this product right on through. So I'm doing this on damp hair right at the bowl, and then as soon as that's applied, I'm going to have her lay back down, and then I apply it towards the top. Now, just keep in mind, this Studio Stylist Express does work in 10 minutes, so it's pretty fast. And a lot of times when I'm using it on damp hair like this, it's kind of like up to 10 minutes. And another thing to keep in mind as well is that your toner can process up to 25 minutes. So you really kind of want to, time each product that you're applying at the right time, if you will. And because we're dealing with like a more pastel shade, I'm immediately going to apply this toner formula onto her ends. So once I get this right onto her roots all in the front, and again, this is going by pretty quickly. I'm getting this on in about 5 minutes. I'm going to just comb it right on through. And after I drag that SSE right on down past that new growth area, I applied the Demi Permanent, and you can already see how beautiful this is turning out. It's processing, it's lifting, it's depositing, and then we got this gorgeous deposit onto the ends, highly neutralizing a lot of this yellow tone. I'm really excited to see it at this point because this is the exact shade that we're looking for to help kill all of this yellow. So I decided to go ahead and shampoo her hair. Now, normally I do a rinse out with my toners, but I decided to shampoo this because I am dealing with permanent hair color. You don't want to leave ammonia-based hair colors onto the root and not shampoo it out. So this is what it looks like wet immediately after we were done with the toning service, but you can see we got a nice blend and we got rid of a lot of those yellow tones. But keep in mind, this is indoors under a yellow light, so we're going to see yellow even after we start drying it here. So this is, again, a perfect opportunity for you to educate your client on the difference between indoor and outdoor lighting. But you can see we got a really great lift in the back and kind of this nice blend into that platinum card baby light that we did just 12 weeks ago. So there's no highlighting done. We got this beautiful white silver shade that neutralized all of those yellow tones. This is going to fade out really beautifully. I will see her back in another 6 weeks to go ahead and apply the same 9A SSE formula right at her root. I mean, look how beautiful that is. It's just lifted and deposited into the nicest, coolest shade possible. And what's amazing about this entire process is we've truly eliminated the need for highlighting her hair and applying lightener every single appointment. We are simply adding in this permanent shade to blend in her gray and then tone those ends.
So I really hope you enjoyed this hair video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite part of this entire video was, and I'll be sure to respond. You can find me on my other social channels like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, all under Mirella Manelli. And if you want free education sent right to your inbox, be sure to sign up for my newsletter at morellamanelli.com to learn all of the amazing ways that you can work with me, my courses, all of that good jazz. You can find all of the links as well to everything we talked about in this video down below in the description to check out some more behind the scenes, bloopers, just like random crap that happens creating these YouTube videos. Make sure you join me in my membership site right here on YouTube. There's also some like formulas and early access to a lot of these videos too. So that's kind of like honestly the best perk of all. I will see you in the next video.